Hey beautiful, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Isabella Nothando, and in today's video we are going to be doing a DIY protein treatment mask. And as you can see, I already have my tools and my ingredients right here with me. So depending on the density of your hair or the volume, you're going to need an egg and olive oil and a fork and a bowl. And if you know me, then you know that this bowl has been through the most on this channel. So I'm just putting in my olive oil into my egg, and I'm about to mix it up as smoothly as I possibly can. And I'm going to do that while I explain to you why I'm doing a DIY protein treatment mask. Number one, I am not up to buying a protein treatment mask, and I've been doing enough YouTube to know that I can do this for myself at home. And also because my hair, if you don't know, go watch my previous video. I'm going to link it up here right now so that you can go watch it, because I just treated my hair with a blonde hair color, but I was doing honey blonde highlights. So this is why I'm doing a DIY protein treatment mask. Protein treatments help to strengthen your hair shaft and make sure that it does not break as much as it would if you have things that are causing tension on your hair, or things that are causing your hair to be brittle, for example, too much heat or coloring or stuff like that. So that is why I am doing a treatment mask which is protein based. So here you're just going to see me putting the mask onto my hair, massaging it into my hair as much as I possibly can. And my god guys, can I just tell you that this thing stinks. You do not want to do this if you are a person who suffers from nausea, because oh my goodness, I suffered, guys. Like, if you see my facial expressions, you will know what I went through. But yeah, we move. It is what it is. So I'm going to be parting my hair into sections, and I'm petting in the treatment into my hair, and then I do massage it right in, and then I divide it again, and I make a little twist out thing to make sure that my hair is detangled and not getting in the way of what I'm doing. And right now I was having a conversation with someone who was behind my door, so do not worry, do not be alarmed. But yeah, I'm just going to continue doing that, and I'll catch you guys when I'm almost done. Hi, I'm back. So while I work this into my hair, I just want to ask you, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? The button is right there. Just click it, and when you're done, click the notification bell right next to it, and make sure that you turn on all of them so that every time that I post a new video that you are notified, okay? It's absolutely free. You do not have to pay anything. And when you're done clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell, I want you to look to your left. There is a button written share right there. Click on it, Yes, that one. Click share and then copy the link. Continue watching. When you're done watching, go to your WhatsApp, paste it into your status, and just leave it right there. You don't have to do more, just paste it right there. So I'm done doing my hair, guys. I'm just finishing up, and when I'm done, I'm going to use my plastic bag to put that onto my head, and I'm going to leave it on for 30 minutes, and then I will rinse it off with my cleanser from Aunt Jackie's, which I'm not going to show you guys in this video, but if you do want to watch it, I'll link my wash day routine right up there so that you can watch that as well. And yeah, guys, that is how I treated my hair with a protein treatment mask made at home. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like this video. Comment down below, subscribe, and share.